FragWatch here. Today we are in an unusual setup way up in the mountains at treeline almost. 500 feet from treeline. On Starlink, playing some Counter-Strike. But today we're going to be unboxing the DeathAdder V4 Pro. In white. Looking forward to this a lot. Let's kick it off. Got my knife here. See if I even need to use that. The mouse pad beneath this is the Soku Pengu. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, we got pull tabs. Nice. Okay. That was satisfying. That was a satisfying little pop. We have it on the other side. Yes, we do. Okay. I didn't hit record. Did I hit record? I hit record. Good. Thank God. On my laptop. This is my mobile setup. This is not my normal setup. I do apologize about any lapses in quality. Okay. Got this in white. This is a weird dongle. Look at this. I'll pop that out first. Man, I felt like I was going to break that popping that out. That's not. So, okay. Bizarre. You got a little dome. It's got the Razer logo. That's really heavy. Holy moly. Does this say on the back DeathAdder V4 Pro? Okay, got that. That's a nice coating. Okay. Oh, my autofocus is going wild here. I do apologize. Okay. Feels nice in hand. Get this plastic out of here. Yeah, that feels. That's nice. Oh, over here. Man, this camera setup's weird. I do apologize. That. Sensor skate. Whee! That's nice. Okay. Digging that. Alright. Got some syrup on my fucking. Damn it. Well, we're gonna have to clean that. Wow. That's gonna be a washing machine job. And then we got a cord. Man, that is some bare bones shit. No extra skates. Come on, man. What? Razer, for what you charge, man, you should really. God. What is this huge booklet? This better have skates in it. Like a guide for the fucking dongle. Okay, this is skates. No, grips. Oh, okay, and a sticker. No extra skates. Okay. Alright. Okay. Package this back up. Holy moly. Shit, the fucking. Got my Murloc hoodie on. This is not going back in. These grips are kind of nice, though. I don't like how far they protrude, though. I prefer, like, the gecko skin style, where they're just grippy and just, like, not made to go back in. Fuck. This is ridiculous. There we go. Alright, that's pretty much the unboxing. This cord's alright. Nothing to write home about. Okay, let's see if this fits. I never get Razer shit to fit back in its packaging. It's just like a curse I have. I don't know. Okay. Ta-da! You guys hear all the hummingbirds? 30 fucking hummingbirds. I was playing Counter-Strike. One was like right here. 2 feet from my face, just like hovering. Made me feel sweet. You guys get that? It made me feel sweet? Whatever. Anyways, the unboxing of the DeathAdder V4. Feels good. Kind of slippery up top. I wish there's grip. I hope there's grip tape for right here. I'm like slipping. Okay. We'll see in the initial impressions. Take you guys later.